Hi, today's video journal about Erin Brockovich, October 13th, 2021. Time is 7:50 p.m. Uh, on Thursday. So let me talk about Erin Brockovich. My case, water case 634. I'm pretty sure that's it is case 634 water case. I don't know what happened to it. Like saying, like, uh, 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 what's it, Leroy A. Simmons. Well, last night I talked to the judge, to Leroy A. Simmons. Um, um, he told me he told me that yeah, because I was going to Hollywood, that he can't issue me the reward money from PG&E. And that was just it. Yeah, like I said, it's not fair to other clients. Other clients, if I gave them if they gave them the money to me, and I'll go down the hallway and make more money, more money coming in, and then up their other water lawsuit of PGE. But it's the same thing here. Like I said, Erin Brockovich tried to help. She intervened with those lawyers, Robinson Woods, and I remember that Robinson Woods law firm. She was cussing and swearing, all that. And Ed Woods, the owner of the law firm, pretty tall guy. Ed Woods, he's really tall. I mean, well, I knew Ed Woods, the law of Robinson Woods, since I was a kid. And they try and get me into law school, but like I said, I couldn't keep in law school because I'm a slow learning disability. I'm slow in school, and I'll fall behind classes, and especially I didn't pass the bar exam on which you had to finish in within 3 or 4 hours, and which I didn't finish at the time, so I flunked that. So, but it's the same thing here. I don't know. I mean, say Erin Brockovich, she's really hard to contact at times or give personal response, all that. But I have some other cases and all that, and guess what? All the law firms said that, so you have a lawyer, Joseph. Joseph, yes, yeah, that's what we found out. I don't have a lawyer. If I had a lawyer, why did my own lawyers send me away? So what's up with that? So what's up with that? So yeah, with Erin Brockovich, it's really, really hard to get a contact. And even though I'm her case, well, she was studying a water case in San Jose here in San Jose, and the water supply. Well, the water something about the water supply causes learning disability, but that's not true, because like say you fall on your head as a kid, you develop learning disability, and you fall on your head. Uh, uh, you know, uh, European scientists, German scientists, or Russian scientists, if you check RTN News or GW News, they their scientists in Germany already did researches on learning disabilities and head injuries and schizophrenia. So I thought I'd let you know about that. But yeah, if you follow your kid when you're real young, as age 5 or 6, if your brain's not fully developed by age 9, if you fall in here at age 9 or age 10, you're in the clear of schizophrenia. But before schizophrenia, before 9 and younger, you fall on your head. You fall on your head as an adult, you get schizophrenia, and that was up in the air for American scientists and all that, and medical field in the United States was thrown out the window because they didn't believe that. Well, I believe that the European scientists study on this on kids that fall on their head and fall on their head in an adult. Well, guess what? They got schizophrenia. So but to let you know, but like I say, some of the part Aaron Barker doesn't even know about. But I have to let you know. But yeah, what's happened to my case? Like I have diabetes, all that. I have my arthritis. I have scoliosis. I have scoliosis. All that, and seizures. So I have seizures. I'm managing on my own. It's like say, those lawyers, Robinson Woods, when they give me a service animal, a service dog that detect seizures. So I'm managing it. When I'm about a seizure, I take a Norco, a painkiller, and the Risperdal, and Aaron Brock probably doesn't know about it, but it's a head trauma drug. It's a head trauma drug, schizophrenia drug, and an anxiety drug. It's supposed to cut down on the pills. It's supposed to cut down on all the pills that you take, and make it easier to just take one pill. That's what Risperdal is supposed to do, but it doesn't work for everybody. And rumor has it the medication Risperdal, if you're on it as a child, it picks up where you left off at. That's what the other scientists, other psychiatrists, trying to find out. But lots of psychiatry people are trying to take you off Risperdal because they say it doesn't work. It doesn't work on all the people, but you have to be on medication as a child to make it effective for you for adult. That's why I was told as a kid by Dr. Fulligan, Dr. Dr. Fulligan, Hugh, like Hugh, and the Star Trek Next Generation, Hugh, and all that. But uh, like I said, I give up looking for an attorney and all that. And the attorney says here in the Bay Area, I don't have no case. Well, it's not a case that we do, all that. But like I said, I'm getting tired of being insulted, man. Every time. This is why that's why I like for years at my mom's house. Someone who was beating me up inside my room, and I didn't wake up for a few days. And yeah, like my mom called the military and all that, and the military checked me. I was like, yeah, someone hit him while he was sleeping. So right here, let me feel it right there, or it's gotta be here somewhere, right there you go, right there. That's where you can hit me, and also right here in the head, right here, right here. That's where you can hit me. So yeah, I'm gonna be bold and brave about it. Well, yeah. So the cops said, they said, well, why are you telling about it? And the cops said, yeah, we got to check out who watches this video. Who watches this video. So if they assaults me in the head, they know they saw my video journal. So well, that's about it. Uh, it's 9:50. It's 7:58. So I don't know. Under that, like I said, I wish. I'd like to know if Erin Brockovich would tell me if I still have the case or not, or why law firms are turning around the case. What they turn around the case? I have no money. And Erin Brockovich said that my case is too expensive to investigate. It will cost the law firm lots of money to backtrack everything what happened at present time. But like I say, the Robinson Woods lawyer said I was a walking case, where injuries or accidents has to me all the time, but no one turning represent me, because of what? I have no money, so what? I had no money, or the person that hit me or assault me doesn't have no money or no insurance. So that's why I was told by Happ's associate, actually, Downing and Law Firm and Happ Associates. So we sue people based on if they have any insurance on them, home insurance, owner insurance, or whatsoever. If the person has no insurance, we can't sue you. That's how we get the insurance from the company. I think Erin Brockovich knew that. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. That's about it. See you in a few days.